Okay, hello GED students. This is an introduction to lesson number 57, the expansion or using the distributive property for linear expressions. I like doing this one before 55 and 56 because it kind of helps explain those lessons. So here we go. Quick review though, a couple things. With algebra, lesson 57, when multiplying, this is how you see multiplying. They don't put a symbol here. They go 3 times 6. They'll put in the parentheses. So 3 times 6 equals 18. That way you don't have a times that you might get mixed up with a missing number. If they don't know this, it'll be like 3 times x equals 18. Let's say we don't know this number, so it'll just be 3 times x. Or they'll do this, it's 3x equals 18, or 3 times, this means that this 3 is multiplying whatever this number is. Okay, so a little review there. Just like here, if you have two letters, just like we have x and we have y equal 18, you might have two variables, but this will be x times y when they're right next to each other. Okay? Another thing to review are the positive negatives of multiplying. Just like here, if you have 3 times a positive 6, positive 3 times a positive 6 is going to be a positive 18. But if one of these are negative, then just like negative 3 times 6, well, 3 times 6 is 18, but it's going to end up being a negative 18. If this one is negative, if you got a positive 3 and negative 6, well, 3 times 6 is 18, but since one of them is negative, it's going to be a negative 18. But if you have in multiplying, this is true in dividing too, but also if you got negative 3 times a negative 6, well, that's going to equal a positive 18. The two negatives here make this a positive. Okay, but this is with multiplying and dividing. And subtracting, there's no real rule to it. Okay, but this is important, keeping your symbols straight. So positive, positive, multiplying is a positive answer. Negative, positive, or positive, negative, the answer is going to be negative. But if you have two negatives, it becomes a positive. Okay, so just a little bit of review and introduction to lesson 57, which is kind of important for the rest of the lessons from here on in. You'll see that. All right, so the next video I'll start this here.